Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making focaccia bread. You're going to need 3.5 cups flour, 1.5 cups warm water, 2 tablespoons instant yeast, 1.5 tablespoons salt, 1 teaspoon honey, 2 tablespoons olive oil for the dough, 1/4 cup olive oil for the pan. We're going to start by adding yeast into warm water. Add 1 tablespoon honey, and then mix it well for 7 to 10 minutes until yeast gets activated and foamy. Add salt to the flour and mix it in. And then just in the center make a little space so we can add activated yeast. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then start kneading the dough until it's smooth and it stops sticking to your hands. Cover the ball and the dough with olive oil. Then cover it with the plastic wrap and the towel and set it on the side for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes rest and dough looks puffed, perform 4 stretches and folds. Turn the ball between each stretch and fold and pull the dough gently without tearing it. Cover it back with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side. Repeat this 3 more times. While we're waiting for dough, let's create the topping. For topping, you're going to need 2 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 cup cherry tomato, 1/2 cup olives, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1.5 teaspoon fresh rosemary. Start cutting the fresh rosemary very fine. Now combine all the ingredients at once, starting with the water, olive oil, rosemary, half a teaspoon salt, and in the end mince the garlic, and mix it well and set it on the side. After the 4th stretch and fold, cover the baking pan with the 1/4 cup of olive oil. Transfer the dough without any kneading. And Gently stretch it to the edges. If it's difficult to stretch, cover it with a towel and set it on the side for 15 minutes and try again. Then cover it with plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side for at least 60 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to cut up olives in half. And also cut up the cherry tomatoes in half. After you had it rested for 60 minutes, dip your fingers in the water and poke the fingertips into a dough doing straight down in a quick motion like playing piano. Go over the dough 2 or 3 times to create plenty of dimples. Mix the topping again. And drizzle it evenly on top of the dough. Add cherry tomatoes randomly. And then in between, add olives also randomly. If you like your focaccia a little bit saltier, just add a little bit of salt, maybe a half a teaspoon. Preheat your oven on 450. Bake it for approximately 22 to 25 minutes. After it's done baking, immediately transfer the bread and rest it for 10 minutes before you're slicing it. It came out so beautiful. Homemade focaccia bread looks and tastes great at any meal. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.